I got this FiFine AM8 USB and XLR microphone on the TikTok shop. I'm not a TikTok affiliate. I paid $40 for this, which I actually thought was a pretty good deal. All the reviews I saw were from affiliates on TikTok, so I wanted to give an honest review of this microphone. The way people make it seem is like you can just plug it right into your iPhone and the audio is gonna sound amazing. So this is just the audio from my iPhone 16 Pro. I am a YouTuber. I have like 200,000 subscribers on my main channel, and I don't really make videos as often anymore, but when I do, something that's important to me is that I'm able to just set up my phone and then record a video and record as seamlessly as possible. From what the reviews have shown, you can just plug this microphone right into your phone so long as it has USB-C, which my iPhone 16 Pro has USB-C. So I really just want to unbox the FiFine microphone. This is exactly how it came. Did not come wrapped with any plastic. It just came in like a shipping bag, and just like this, here's the unboxing. Right over here, you have the user manual. Let's see what this is. Looks like it's the base for the stand. Also, I realize how ridiculous this looks, and I don't have a lot of space for the setup. I do want to invest like in this YouTube channel because I do like making like review and tutorial videos. But anyways, this is the microphone unboxed. This feels kind of like cheap over here. It looks nice though. Like this feels like pretty decent quality. You can see on the bottom, that's the XLR input, the USB-C, and the headphone jack input. I'm not an audio expert, clearly, but you can just like listen to your voice when you plug headphones into here. Okay, yeah, last thing is just the USB, oh my god, it's regular USB. I thought it was USB-C to USB-C, but I guess not. I think I have a USB-C to USB-C, so I am gonna attempt to use that and see if that works, because otherwise I'm doomed. So whatever audio you're hearing right now, it should be coming from this microphone. And let me just say, actually, this feels really good. Even just holding it like this feels really good. So the bottom one here is the headphone volume. Obviously that doesn't matter right now. And this one over here and this one over here is going to be the microphone volume. And then this is the volume all the way up. I don't know if this sounds good or not. Now if we flip it to the other side, this I assume is the mute button. Tap it and it mutes. Let's see, I'm gonna be talking. But now I'm talking again, and it's not muted. And then let's see, this is supposed to change the RGB color. That's pretty sick. You can see I literally have it plugged in right into my iPhone 16 Pro. And like, it looks awesome. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it feels like decent quality. Like, it does feel like plasticky. I do have like other microphones I can try to compare it to. So guys, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you think this microphone sounds better than the microphone on my iPhone 16 Pro? Or on this camera here, my iPhone 13? Constantly working towards getting a very streamlined and simple setup, and I really hope this works out. I want to know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments, so just let me know. Does the audio sound good? I've only listened to the audio on my iPhone, and I think it sounds okay. But I do believe you need to be speaking a little bit closer to the microphone for it to sound a little bit more crisp. But I do have a monitor arm, and I'll make more reviews on this microphone, and I'll compare it to the microphones I already own in the future, because I love a budget and I love comparing different things in my budget. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.